as a gay Igbo man who is juicy, glowy, sexy, moisturized and unbothered, protected by my ancestors, divinely protected, being amazing, doing what needs to be done, living my life unapologetically, I decided to do what I normally do. Go out when I'm free, go to get some skincare products that I need for this moisturized Igbo gay skincare. For all of you that are constantly saying that gay people are the sinners, no, we are not the sinners. If you are someone that is constantly being homophobic, transphobic, queerphobic, that are constantly being misogynistic, you are the sinner. You are the one committing the sin, because people do not choose their sexuality. If someone is born gay, that person did not choose to be gay. If you happen to decide to use your Bible to weaponize and do all your nonsense, that is on you. You are the one that needs prayers. You need prayers, you need forgiveness, you need to pray to your God to change you from the sufferings that you are suffering. You are suffering from a massive religious psychosis, and gay people are not your problem.